I would like to invite Mr. Jai Sundararaman.
Congratulations to Connect Facts for launching this digital platform, which is the need of the hour. Considering the geopolitical situation, supply chain challenges, and what's happening in the world, manufacturing has got a huge role to play in furthering not only the economic prosperity for the country, but also defending the country in situations with what's going on. It's the backbone of the nation. With that said, if you look at the United States manufacturing sector, if you think about manufacturing sector, that's the 8th largest economy in the world, about 2.4 or $7 trillion. And of which 5,000, so of the 250,000 manufacturing companies out there, you could say 5,000 are large, the rest of them are small to medium size. So you have a huge opportunity to make an impact. With that said, the challenge comes in terms of digital transformation. The success rate of that has been less than, I could say like 70%, less than 70%. Companies realize the value. What's going on? Why is the impact? What is the difference? I would say a few things. One is the rate at which the technology is maturing is different for different fields. What comes under the digital transformation bucket, from blockchain technology to digital analytics to robots, cobots, AR, VR, each one is maturing differently. Number two, there is no playbook. If you think about lean manufacturing, lean evolved over the last 6 decades. 1950s to where we are now, we have playbooks, consultants, methodologies, TPS on how to go about doing it. With digital, each company is on their own and the technology is still evolving. So it's a big challenge on how do you capture value tied to your business needs, deploying the right technology. And hence, the challenge is compounded when people are trying to accelerate the adoption without delivering on value. What surprised, I would say, impressed me more when I was contacted last month by the LFC Connect Facts team is the 93% track record on success on transformation. That's pretty impressive. And again, it builds on lean foundation. This cannot operate by itself. So you need to have the foundation of lean upon which you build your digital technology.